Welcome to Mimic channel. I'm Aditya, partner at Mimic. With me is my senior partner, Mr. Anand. And today we're going to talk about our latest product, that is MobiLight. And today we're going to talk about MobiLight for industrial applications. So Mr. Anand, please tell us about MobiLight, its applications, features, and a bit more.
Basically, the MobiLight is originally designed for industrial applications or industrial environment, and it is designed for maintenance or electrical safety. Originally, it has been designed for electrical control panels. In electrical control panels, the problem is when you wire the control panel in the bay area of the wiring, there are a lot of connectors, say 100, 200, or 300. In that area, generally the light is not there. And the connectors, the latest connectors nowadays, what we are having are very thin connectors. Advanced connectors are very thin connectors, or even double decker, triple decker connectors. In that connectors, to wire in a very less dim area, dim light, is very difficult. So when the electrician wires the wire, generally these electricians are 40 plus. The experienced electricians are 40 plus. The wire may go from one connector to another connector if it is been not seen properly. So what they do, they use the mobile light for that. And in mobile light, what they have to do, they have to keep the mobile light over here or on the side and they wire it. It's very cumbersome. Also, on the bottom deck of the control panel, there are multiple connectors for cable outgoings. There also the same problem is there, light is not there. So we have designed basically this MobiLight for that particular application initially. In this MobiLight, what we have done is, this is a leather pouch. In this, what we have done, we have provided very high power rare earth magnets at the back side. So whenever anybody wires it, it sticks the MobiLight on the control panel left or right side or a bottom side, make it on, wire it in that particular light, and then it is very easy for him. He puts his particular MobiLight in his pouch again, and it's a part and parcel of his kit, just like screwdrivers or multimeters. So this is the basic application we have designed for. Also, when you have got a maintenance work of machines, below that machines there is no light. For the same purpose, this also can be used. You have to stick to this machine and use the maintenance work, or your main control panel at the metering panel or incoming panel. When the light goes, in that particular application, this can be stick to your metering panel or incoming panel and you do your work. This is the basic application we designed for initially, but after that many applications do come, and this is very useful at least for electrical at the primary stage.
Right. So I want to ask one question. Is this an emergency light? And the thing is, there are so many emergency lights in the market. So why do we need more?
So fundamentally, this is not an emergency light. This is industrial safety light or a maintenance light. Only can be used for emergencies of industry or for safety applications of the industry.
Okay.
This will be designed for, and for that we have made that particular MobiLight industrial grade. So body is also aluminum extruded body. It's a very heavy duty body, translucent polycarbonate cap. Then charging is also by C-type connector. You can hold it like this also. Very heavy duty push button. So these are the industrial features we are given. But after introduction to that industry, many domestic applications have come out, and they also need even agricultural, pharmaceutical, chemical, many applications, aeronautical, many applications do come. Many people come to us for particular MobiLight, but that I will explain you in the next part. Today is the part of this electrical control panels and electrical safety. So it is definitely not an emergency lamp.
Right.
It's a multi-utility lamp for your personal kit of any electrician or any even mechanical engineer, electrical engineer. This is a basic kit for them.
So this product is really useful for the people who actually do the electrical work.
Yes, perfectly right. True.
So it seems the light can also be used for a variety of applications, as you mentioned before, and that will cover in the next part. So can you tell something about something more about this product and maybe a few applications in the field, in the domain of electrical work?
Yeah, not only in the domain of electrical work, but suppose there is a pump house. In pump house, suppose you go inside and you don't have a light, you want to repair the pump. Machine is been opened in the night. There is a lot of things are there to be done in machines. Small parts are there. There also can be used. Then even automobile industry, lot of applications are there. In detail we'll talk about it later, but in automobile industry definitely it is being used. In domestic also, I will just give you some glimpses of it. Domestic, there are cash counters where the light goes, there is a lot of problems. Many more applications are there in domestic, but industrial, almost each and every industry, even cement industry, pharmaceutical industry, chemical industry, then even frigates. You know, in frigates, that means war machines, warships. Generally, inside the war machines or frigates, there is a very clumsy atmosphere because the space is not there. In that, suppose the maintenance works has to be there, you cannot provide any light fundamentally because the power supply is not available over there. So we need a portable light, which light is very reliable and very sturdy and which will give a great lighting.
I also want to say that, despite heavy illumination in industries, there are always areas where light doesn't reach, and that is where MobiLight comes in handy. So, one quick question: is there a warranty to this product?
Yeah, as it is been designed for industry needs at least uh, uh, at least running time up to 5 to 6 years. So we have designed this particular model to run for at least 5 to 6 years minimum. So as a standard, we are given 1 year warranty for this. In 1 year, suppose any problem comes, we replace it or repair it. All the numbers are provided in our catalog. Customer care number, where to be written, all the terms and condition, everything is written. So what we want is we have you to work for 5 to 6 years with these lamps. So we have provided the proper warranty for this.
And how do I purchase this? Is there a scan code? Is there a mail I can write to where I can inquire about this product?
Yeah, definitely. See, we are having our email ID. First of all, it is mimic.cells@gmail.com. You can write back to us and you will get the particular details and quotation or whatever it may be from industry. Also, we have got a WhatsApp number, that is 982125222. On this number, you can WhatsApp your name, you can WhatsApp your details, address, and you just order on WhatsApp. We will send you the bank details, we'll send you the scan code on the WhatsApp, and that particular price includes everything, including courier, including GST, everything is inclusive. A price will give you. You just have to just send money. It is in stock. We'll dispatch on the same day.
Great. So that is all for now. And if you want to know more, please write to us at the email mentioned in the show notes of this video. That is mimic.sales@gmail.com. Till then, take care and see you in the next one.